Engines roar and tires scream. We live life in the fast lane. Metal beasts on rubber wheels. Feel that rush like cold champagne. Skies turn black with dirt and smoke. Adrenaline's our sweet escape. Crank it up till something breaks. Embrace the monster in your shape. We're crushing steel dreams tonight. Let that beast up to the sky. With fire and fury in our eyes. We're the kings, we'll never die. Tracks are calling, can't ignore.
OT Dog Nation. Welcome to day 17 of the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill number 2. Our current reigning King of the Hill, Night Shifter, is still waiting patiently until the finale to see who will take him on. With that said, 27 more trucks are ready to battle it out and see who has what it takes to go all the way and become finalist number 17 and possibly join our other 16 finalists in the finale. With that being said, let's get right into day number 17. Kicking us off for day 17, we have Finn Balor, the Red Twin Mill, and Hulk. Here we go with day 17. Who's going to take the first win? It's going to be the Red Twin Mill. Next up we have Paddle Axe, Kumori, and the Corvette. Race number 2, here we go. Who's gonna take it? Great race, it's gonna be the Kumori. Race number 3, we have Lion's Share, Roger Dodger, and Mega Rex. I think Mega Rex is going to take this race. Yep, look at that. No surprise there. Mega Rex is in the next round. Race number 4, we have 4-Wheel Hive, the Back to the Future Time Machine, and Chewbacca. Oh, Chewbacca out front. Chewbacca will advance. Race number 5. Another Megarex. Another twin mill, but this time in blue. And the Hot Wheels Taxi. Let's drop those gates. Hot Wheels Taxi for the win. Now this will be a great race right here. Darth Vader, Bone Shaker, and the Oscar Mayer Wiener Mobile. Darth Vader way out front. Wow. Up next we have the green and black Dodge Charger with the drag tires, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Raphael, and 32 degrees. Marks, get set, go! Oh, they are off. 32 degrees out front. He gets it done. The second to last race of this first round. Scorcher, the Ford Raptor, and the 909. Here we go. Great race. It's gonna be Scorcher. And the last race before the round of 9. The glow-in-the-dark Scorpedo, Necessary Roughness, and Stars and Stripes. Who's getting that final spot? It's going to be the glow-in-the-dark Scorpedo. Kicking off the round of 9 with Windmill, the Kumori, and Megarex. Who's getting the first spot in the contender round? It's going to be, yup, of course, no surprise, Megarex is the first truck in the contender round. Joining Mega Rex as truck number 2 will be either Chewbacca, the Hot Wheels taxi, or Darth Vader. Who will be contender number 2? Going to be good race, gonna be Darth Vader.
Lane 5.
And the third and final contender will be either 32 Degrees, Scorcher, or Scorpedo. The third and final contender will be Scorpedo.
Lane 5.
Day 17 contender round is here. Mega Rex, Darth Vader, and Scorpedo. As always, it's the first truck to win 2, and they will bump over 1 lane after each race. Who will get the first win? Darth Vader goes up 1 win. All they need is 1 more. If Darth Vader takes this win, it's all set and done. He comes back for the win. What a race. Darth Vader is going to the finale. There you go, T-Dog Nation. Darth Vader goes 2-0 and is finalist number 17 in the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill number 2. If you guys are still enjoying the series, please do me a big favor. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and ring the bell to never miss a time that I post. With that being said, we'll see you guys next time in day number 18 as we continue to race beyond limits, 1 track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.